What if I told you that the release date for the iPhone 17 might not be a mystery anymore? In fact, the clues are so strong that September 9th is now almost an open secret. So when can you actually expect to get your hands on Apple's newest iPhones, and what else might launch at the same event? Let's break it down. Apple's next big event is less than a month away, and this time it's shaping up to be a very busy one. We were expecting for iPhone 17 models, the standard iPhone 17, the brand new iPhone 17 Air, the iPhone 17 Pro, and the iPhone 17 Pro Max. But the real question on everyone's mind is, when exactly are they coming out? Right now, September 9 looks like the strongest bet. Why? Multiple leaks point directly to that date. One of them was a supposed invite showing the September 9th launch. Even more interesting, Apple itself may have accidentally let it slip. A screenshot from Apple TV search results briefly showed the event scheduled for September 9th before it was quickly removed. Whether that was intentional or just a mistake, it adds a lot of weight to the rumor. And if you followed Apple for a while, you'll know this fits their usual pattern. Apple almost always hosts its iPhone launch events in early September, often on a Tuesday. Looking back at previous years, the schedule has been very consistent, which makes this year's timing even more believable. Now, here's something worth noting. Starting next year, Apple might change things up. Leaks suggest that Apple could split its lineup, releasing only the Pro and Air models in the fall, and saving the standard and budget models for a spring launch. But for 2024, the classic September release schedule looks solid, so the iPhone 17 series should be announced right on time. But September 9th won't just be about iPhones. Apple is also expected to reveal new wearables and accessories. The Apple Watch 11 is likely to appear, running on the new watchOS 26, while it may not have a big redesign. watchOS 26 is expected to bring plenty of new features and improvements. Along with fresh case colors and new bands, the Apple Watch Ultra 3 is also rumored to make its debut. This update has been 2 years in the making, and leaks suggest it could include faster charging, support for 5G, satellite connectivity, and even a larger display. That would make it a serious upgrade for users who want a premium smartwatch. On top of that, the Apple Watch SE could get its third generation. It might not bring huge changes, but a larger display and possibly even a plastic version are on the table, which could make it more affordable. And then we have the AirPods Pro 3. At first glance, the design is expected to stay similar, but this time the focus seems to be on health features. Leaks suggest Apple may add body temperature tracking and heart rate monitoring. If that turns out to be true, these earbuds would move from being just about music to becoming real health companions. So, what does this all mean? If these rumors are correct, September 9th is shaping up to be a packed event. New iPhones, new Apple Watches, and new AirPods all in one day. Apple fans could be in for one of the most exciting launches we've seen in years. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these products are you most excited about? The bold new iPhone 17 lineup, the upgraded Apple Watch Ultra, or AirPods Pro 3 with health features? Drop your answer in the comments, and before you head out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. We'll be covering all the updates from Apple's September event, and you won't want to miss what's coming next.